In Discord, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. And today's video, guys, I am really grateful for everyone. So I have a flu, and that's why I've not even posted this week because wow, I don't know if you can feel me. So even my voice box had already like gotten lost. So yeah, so I'm here today to share with you some items that I got from this Black November sales, guys. If you're not taking advantage of the Black November right now, I don't know what you're waiting for. I always say Black November is the best for you to get is cut off on what you wanted to buy, and as well, there's influencers who have codes, which is also good as well. You can use that to just cut off your cost as well. So yeah, so today I just want to share with you what I got from Jumia because they have just arrived right now, and Carrefour they arrived yesterday. So yeah, so if you're not taking advantage of those two companies, guys, I don't know. For Jumia, the influencers are there, and their discount code is 150. Um, there is also for Carrefour is nice, it's 400, guys. So if you're shopping, that is if you're shopping online. So that's when you can get 400 off the price that you've bought them from. So I just wanted to share with you, like for Jumia, because I've never bought any electronic when it comes to Jumia because I'm always skeptical. So I wanted to share with you, and then we see if it's working because I don't know all those return policies, and I'm praying that it's not going to be that way. Yeah. So let me share with you what I got from Carrefour. So guys, wow, I love. November is always my best but let me tell you, you get broke. Okay, like you every day there's something that is on offer and you need it, so you find yourself like you're buying all the time. I'm like, wow, this is too much. So sometimes I even want to assume that anyway we're in week two, yeah, no, week one, gosh, yeah, and I'm like, no way, I'm spending a lot of money, but it's not money that it's not like something that I don't want. Now that one I don't do that. I spend on something that I know I need. So I'm also shopping for my mom's food stuff for December. Yeah, that's me. So I have to take something for her, and this is the time I'm trying to stock up for her everything. So the first thing that I got was this rice. Sunrise, I love sunrise as well. A love of sunrise, this one, and pearl, and also basmati for dawat, mostly dawat. So this is the rice that I got, guys. And guess what? The price. Oh, this one was a steal. So it's a 5 kg, and I got it for 1,000 shillings. This one normally goes for 18 something. If you know this, you know what I'm talking about. So when I saw this one, I said, no, I have to get it because I needed rice. And this is what I got. This is a sunrise basmati 5 kg. It was going for 1,000. Oh, the other thing I got was tissues. This tissue was going for, it's a 10 pack. It was going for 280. 280 or 285. And it also has steel, and it's okay, for tissues now I cannot be, I always say I won't go for the ones that are, sometimes there are offers, but the ones that are on offers, maybe they're not good. I cannot go for that. So this one is the nice one. Cozy is a nice brand, and yeah, so I love their tissues, and I got some of this because why not? Tissue at 285, guys. I buy tissue at 500. I don't know, for something. So this is, for me, is a sale. The other thing I got is this one. I bought her this, and this is toss. I've never like used this, but this one was 151 kg, and I'm hoping that it's something nice. So I got this, like 2 of them, and yeah, for me it's a steal. It's a steal. I'm trying to like do everything and add. The other thing was Soko. Soko was going for 135. This is what I got her. This is for baking and maybe chapos and everything. So I also got these ones as well. Those ones were now for Carrefour. So those I bought from Carrefour, guys. And what I wanted to show you from Jumia, I got also. I don't know what to do. Got a future address. Yeah, this is another 5 kg of ugali, unga ya ugali, and this is pembe. I also got this one at a good price. It was at 349. So that's for me is a save. I don't know if you've seen it, but I'm trying to hide my details, guys. So yeah, this is also from Jumia. Oh. I also got some. Right now, the rain is raining, and I don't know how. Like the lights, you know how KPLC can do things. So this is something else I got from Jumia for my fridge. So I assume that maybe the lights, because I'm never here during the day, so I'm assuming the lights are always maybe off. I don't know. So I was like, hey, this fridge will burn, because my fridge guard had burnt when I was in the previous house and I've never bought. So I said, let me take advantage of this and get another fridge guard, and I've not tested it. So that's why I want to do that. So this is how it looks. Yeah. So this is how it looks. So I wanted to buy this. This is how it looks. I wanted to buy this for the fridge because, guys, you need to protect this machinery stuffs, because now I'm assuming that, because even I'm at work, sometimes lights goes off. So I'm assuming even at home, maybe that's what happens. And I'm not here to be switching off and on, because nothing else is always on. It's always the fridge. So yeah, I bought this just in case of anything. The other thing that I got was I bought someone a weighing scale, because she's good at baking, and this is a gift that I thought I can buy her, because she saw me doing this video while I was unboxing mine. So it's good to be like, I always say, if you see someone has a skill and maybe she's not able to do buy something already, you can promote her, that person. Not necessarily even you buy what they are selling, but even buying for her the equipment is really of help to her or him. So this is it. It is a one weighing scale. I think I've opened this in it's just the same thing, I guess. Yeah, because you see it has this. Let me just open. Am I saying? Yeah, yeah. Guys, I bought mine, but I've never used. No, and I want to upgrade on my baking scale. Baking skill. So yeah, this is it. It is an yeah, this is it. I've not put the battery. I don't know why I'm switching it on. So this is the plate. So this is where you can be measuring from. I love this because it has a plate, guys. There are some who just hold only on this one. You just use your plates, but this one is good and presentable also for work. So I bought her this. This is nice. This is nice. And the other thing that I got was a kettle. Guys, hey, I want to test everything. So this one I also got from Jumia, and for me it's a save, guys. I said I'll have to be looking, because there's some things you want to buy for someone, and maybe you're just getting them in Jumia at a good price. Why not? Why not? So I also saw. Hey, I don't know. This one wasn't in an issue. Anyway, let me try. This is alliance. Yeah. So this is another one that I got for someone. It's on mine. I have mine. So yeah, this is the time you take advantage of this thing. These offers, guys. But what I always say, don't buy what you don't need. Buy what you need, because you find yourself, because it's on offer, unabai kila kitu no, the things that you need. So this is capacity is 1.8 liters, voltage is 1500 watts. I mean 200 to 220 to 240 voltage and 1500 watts. Yeah, so it's giving me, I don't know, instructions of what. And this is the, wow, this is, this is the, this is the kettle itself. It's a black one and a silver. This is how it looks inside. So we're going to test with you right now. Don't jokes. And this is the code. I always like this kettle that has this because it's easier to maintain than the other one that has the code attached to the kettle because it is also quick. My thoughts. This one is easy to manage because hautakuwa ukitoa kwa stima, utakuwa unatoa saa zile maybe you're not using, but now with the other one you have to be carrying it everywhere. So this one for me is a steal, and I've just thought let me buy this. It's just a kettle and someone needed it, and let us try. Let's go and try it. So there's nothing else for now. I'm still on the apps trying to check what they have on offers. If there's something I need, I buy. And that is what I wanted to share with you. I just want to tell you guys, take advantage of the offers and the codes of the influencers. Yeah, so let us go and try these things and see how they are working. Yeah, guys. So yeah, let us just do that as for now. And thank you so much for watching me until this. So guys, I've already added water. You can see, and I'm finding this thing to be short. Like this cord is so short. I just press over here. I don't know how it will fit on. Oh my lord. So short. Let me try and think. Let me bring my extension. Okay, you guys. Oh, the cooker it will fit, but not on the counter. It out. So I think this is where we put it on and off. Yeah, over here on top of it, and then it shows red. So I think let me just give it time and it boils. Guys, it's working. It's working so well. So guys, it has also switched itself off. So this is an automatic one. I've not switched it off. It has switched itself after the water has boiled. So this is where it has switched itself, because when it's on, it's up, and when it is off, it has shut it down like that. So guys, so that one is working. I was really scared. I wanted to just work on it right now and think about how I'll return it, because I've never bought any electronic from Jumia, but this one is nice and it's working. So yeah, guys, this one is what I take in the morning. This one is mixture of ginger, ginger and mixture of ginger, honey, garlic. Yeah, so I usually store it like this. It was so full. It took me a month, but I'm saying as if this month I've not taken it well, because the new month is here. It's good. It's working. It's doing the job. So yeah, I'm happy about the purchase. Not test the fridge again. It's like nothing is inside. or off, wait, on. So that's how it is. You can see there. So I like the fridge guard because now it was off. It usually takes time to be on, and then now it's saying wait, this orange mark, and then when it's on, I think it will show green or red. Green. Yeah. So also, and it has switched itself on. It's green in color, as you can see. Let me just put it. Yeah. So we've just waited for some few minutes, and now it's on. So this one is safe for my fridge as well, so it's working as well, and I'm happy about the purchase. So yeah, let me just take it to the fridge now.